What I do love though is this little spongy bit is so soft, guys, and you just literally just dab, 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 yes, dab, dab, yes. Magic is going away, magic is going away. But yeah, don't know where that came from. Early morning bursts of energy. But yeah, we're just dabbing, guys. I really don't want to swear on my channel because I know that like recently I've got a flood of young following and I don't want to be a bad influence, but guys, this is like what the concealed. This is what you call concealer. This is what you call magic away, you know? Okay, let's be blending. I feel like I'm going to one Christmas party. Like I'm like, oh yeah, I did my makeup, but like I'm still bougie, so I don't like do a full face of makeup, but you know, it's like a classic look. Charlotte, you did that. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is a new day today. I have a video for you on Charlotte Tilbury. They just sent me some things. They just said, Tonique, we cannot wait to hear what you think about the magic products. Love Team Tilbury, perfect skin day. So I do have their magic powder and their magic concealer, as well as some kind of iconic products in here. I'm just going to create a full look for you guys. Let me just put that down, sorry. And I am sporting the look that I created for you. It's like, here's what we made earlier. But before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, although it is fashion week, so I am probably going to put a video up every day because I have so much content for you guys. So if you hit the notification bell and when you subscribe, you will know whenever I get a new video. Actually, if you can comment down below and be like, notification gang, that would be great. I've noticed a few people have done on a few of my videos and I was like, oh, thank you guys. And I've also been commenting with a few people because I got a few new subscribers, so hello and thank you for joining me. I've been talking a lot, so have you hit that subscribe button? Yeah, have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, I have done my eyebrows, so I am going to go in with my foundation. But before I go in with my foundation, I'm going to use the Brightening Youth Glow from Charlotte Tilbury, and this just helps to give a youthful, more boosted glow. I'm just going to mix that in with my primer, so I'm just taking like one squirt, one pump of this, and I'm going to mix it in with my L'Oreal Infallible base primer. This is the best primer for me, like until another primer takes its place. And I'm just going to take one. Ooh, this is finishing. I need to get another one kind of squirt of that as well. Just going to blend the two together and work that into my face, giving me a nice base. Okay guys, then the next step is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. I have taken the shade 9 in Dark Fiance. However, I did kind of swatch it this morning. I don't know if it was because it was a little bit still dark outside, but I'm not sure if this is my colour. But I'm just going to take my Spectrum B01 brush and just work that into the skin. Okay, the next thing to try out is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder, and this is for the under the eye and face. With this foundation, it does give a little bit of a dewy finish. As you can see, I'm looking very dewy. However, I do kind of want a little bit of a matte finish, so I'm just going to sweep this powder carefully across my face, very lightly, not too much. And then when I do go in with the Magic Away concealer, I will then sweep this properly under. Hey, there's fire on the mountain already. Basically guys, I kind of swatched these this morning. Not swatched, like had a peek, you know, just to see what I'm working with, and I've just made fire on the mountain. I've made chaos, you know. I just like to create chaos. Anyway, that's not an issue. I'm taking my MAC, I think I've said this in another video, I don't know what the name of this brush is. If anyone recognizes it and knows, let me know, because the numbers have like literally been removed. I've had this brush for ages. And I'm just taking this magic powder and I'm just dusting it just lightly over my face, just to set my face in. Not to take away the dewiness of the foundation, but just to take away that excess shine. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the shade. The shade is in 3 Tan Dark. And yeah, I kind of like this setting powder to be honest, I never use setting powder. I just go away with the dewy look, but it's just really helped to just absorb that shine. I still have that dewy look, but the shine has kind of literally dissolved. So, but yeah guys, I don't know, I feel like this magic powder is the bomb diggity bomb. What do you think? Am I exaggerating? Because sometimes when you film, you feel really excited and you get off the camera and you're like, okay, it's not that deep. But more time it's like I film and I'm like, oh, I don't really like it. And then when I get off the camera, I'm like, oh my god guys, this is literally amazing. Okay guys, we've all been waiting for the Magic Away Liquid Concealer. I am using the colour 10 Tan, and you just literally just turn it and the fluffy bit at the end becomes full of concealer. I've kind of used it already this morning. Not used it, but like had a little sneak peek because I'm so excited to try the Charlotte Tilbury products that I got gifted. And I haven't really used their products before, like in terms of a full face, so I was like, ooh, these things are looking really amazing. But yeah, back to the concealer. As you can see, it's kind of already filled with concealer. What I do love though is this little spongy bit is so soft guys, and you just literally just dab, 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 yes, dab, dab, yes, magic is going away, magic is going away. But yeah, don't know where that came from. Early morning bursts of energy. But yeah, we're just dabbing guys. I'm just going to put some down the bridge of my nose as well. Just trying to think anywhere else. I think the idea is that you could also use the sponge to blend it in, but I kind of went a little bit overboard guys, you know, as I always do, because I'm just extra like that. So I'm just going to blend it in with a beauty blender. I really don't want to swear on my channel because I know that like recently I've got a flood of young following and I don't want to be a bad influence, but guys, this is like what the concealed. This is what you call concealer. This is what you call magic away, you know? Okay, let's be blending. Guys, that concealer is bomb, like absolute bomb. Seriously, like seriously. Okay, just to set that now, I'm just gonna use a little bit more of the Magic Away powder, if it will come out, because of course I've made a mockery as I always do, and I've left half of the like packaging still on it. Okay, we're back in business, and yeah, I'm just gonna take my MAC brush again and then just sweep that. Okay, definitely made a mockery. And just taking my MAC brush again and then just sweep in that powder underneath and around the eye area. You don't need that much guys, you really don't need that much, like just a little few pats. I would just literally just open it up and then like just kind of shake it a little bit, not too much guys, you know, we do not want to be looking powdery. Okay, going on to the eyes, of course, use this in every video whenever I do an eye look. Taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, just placing that on my eyes. I'm so surprised because I use this all the time. Like this has lasted me guys like a year. And I'm just placing it on my eyes. I'm not going to go heavy in with the eyes because Charlotte Tilbury is very kind of light and very kind of dreamy, and dreamy girls do not have full makeup. So I think I'm just going to do like one base shade and like a kind of glittery lash line. Something simple but cute. Okay, so they sent me the Rock Chick Luxury palette. I'm just going to swatch the shades for you. So the first one is kind of like a champagne colour. And yeah, that's that. That will be good to kind of like put in the crease line, but I don't want to do anything dramatic. The second one is kind of like a gorgeous kind of pewter grey matte metallic colour. The third one is kind of like a glistening dirty grey. That is very Christmas vibes. Sorry, I can't swatch it properly. Let me go in it again. I think because it's like, you know when something's like metallic, you almost need it to be a little bit more wet. When something's more glittery, sorry, you almost need it to be a little bit more wet. That's that colour. And then the final colour is just a kind of deep grey earth tone. So that's that. I think I'm going to go in with the deep grey earth tone and then followed by the glittery on the lash line. Just something plain and simple because Charlotte Tilbury is very like basic, but not in a kind of degrading way. In a kind of just simple, basic, easy breezy Charlotte Tilbury girl. Okay, gonna go in with my C6 Bluebell brush, and I'm taking that kind of deep earthy tone that I mentioned before, this one, and I'm just going to put that on my lids. Okay, so I've put that eyeshadow on my eyes. As always, we got to be blending. So I'm just taking this blending brush. This is like from Millie Macintosh. I can't find my Real Techniques brush, so I'm just using this. Okay, I had to find my Real Techniques brush. It took me a while, but yeah, this is what I need to be blending. Yeah, Real Techniques is probably the best in terms of when you want to blend your eyeshadow and crease line. I don't stray from them, but I don't know where I put all my brushes because I've been doing so many looks for you guys and I've just literally had to find one. So I'm just going to take this other brush from Millie Macintosh and I'm just going to spray it with some Illuminating Mist Spray from Nip+Fab, and I'm just going to go in with that kind of metallic silver glittery shadow for the lash line. I love how dewy it's made it. Okay, and then just going to blend that in just to tie that look in. We are getting there, Charlotte Tilbury. Hey! I feel like I'm going to one Christmas party. Like, I'm like, oh yeah, I did my makeup, but like, I'm still bougie, so I don't like do a full face of makeup, but you know, it's like a classic look. Charlotte, you did that. Just taking the full fat lashes. This is their 5-star mascara. Okay, finished using this mascara. I would say the mascara is, it is quite good. Like in terms of the brush, the bristle, whatever you want to call it, is really good. It really helps and aids lengthening the lashes. However, I kind of like a wet kind of dewy look when it comes to mascara, hence why I always buy a drugstore mascara because I just think they're very wet. I don't know if that's like meant to be a good thing or not. Yeah, this is quite good. I think this would be really good if you had lashes on and then you just wanted to like lengthen your lashes and your eyelashes together, but I do wish it was a little bit wetter, but I might just put a little bit of water in this just to kind of wet it up. But I do like the mascara, I just wish it was a little bit wetter. Finally, I'm taking their lip Lustre in Candy Darling. I'm just going to prime my lips, if I could just find my primer. So before anything, I always prime my lips with Purple Tree Papaya Miracle Balm. I go between this and the Dr. PAWPAW, which don't know where it is, but Dr. PAWPAW in original, just to prime the lips. Because I have really dry skin, I get very dry lips, and if you don't prime your lip, hey, your lip is gonna be looking higger hagger, and I honestly don't have time for higger hagger lips, you know. What if I meet my bae and I want to kiss him? It's gonna be like, your lips are higger hagger, so no. So back to this lip Lustre. It is in Candy Darling. I saw it on their Instagram and I was like, oh my god, I need this lip gloss. It was looking absolutely beautiful on the model, and she had juicy big lips as me. I think she was black actually, to be honest. I think that's why I was like, yeah, if she can get it, I can get it. She was a little bit more darker than me, but it looked absolutely banging on her. But I always go for like a red lip or a kind of nude or a kind of lip gloss like this. I don't really bother too much on lipstick. I'm not that type of girl. And then just to set everything, we're going to take the Nip+Fab Illuminating Fixing Mist. Love this. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I am loving this look. I'm loving Charlotte Tilbury. There was some comments about like, is she really for the people of colour? I don't really know. I'm not gonna like comment on that, but I found my colour. I think this is my shade. Would you agree guys? This magic concealer is bomb. The magic powder is bomb. Like in terms of favourite products, they are so bomb guys. Honestly, like I never really liked setting sprays because they made my face a little bit more powdery. I don't know, like I really feel like I'm looking really pretty. Like I don't know, like what do you think? But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list of the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of all these products so you can purchase them. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.